Yo guys, back again in my channel. Today I'm going to review the Dainese Valentino Rossi replica glove 2006. Well, exactly the same, just like the music that I on before, kind of sad. And these are the glove that everybody knows about. The colors, the yellow one, yes, not yellow fluo, but like what is bright yellow. That in this year 2006 Valentino, he didn't get his crown because he crashed, silly crash, and Hayden was the one with the champion. The bike like exactly the same like this glove, the color. It has sponsors like Camel, if I'm not wrong, Camel, and the team. Okay, in this video I'm going to review about how this glove going to be the first ever that Dainese will use. I mean the material Dainese will use for the next generation for the Dainese metal glove. Okay, if you watch my other video, the 2005 glove, okay, it's going to show now the metal. Okay, hold on. This 2006, the metal like this, the design with the doggy, and has metal, this metal thing. Okay, design. And the old days, this is the first generation. How the way it is like this. So this is just a short, fast. Okay, they're going to show you. Okay, that's in my other video. You can you can have a look. Okay, so since this year Dainese always made the same design with the metal over here and metal over here, and with the carbon fiber all the way around for the design, using DCP, and some over here for the knuckles, and same way there is logo. That's for the common Dainese metal glove that you will see until back way in 2020, when I think still the same if I'm not wrong. So very pretty long time, like almost 20 years Dainese keep using this model. Then since this model, I mean starting back 2006, Dainese never changed it. And to these gloves, it's very gorgeous. As you can see, it's a yellow, has a carbon, small Dainese logo here. Same way with the DCP technology, metal things, doggy logo, Dainese logo, and it has DOC logo, the doctors, the iconic Valentino logo, as we know. And all days again, the previous, while he's still riding the Honda NSR, the logo like with the DOCR like this, way back in the 2005, 2004, 2003. So Rossi using this logo, and since that he's changed with these for 2006 glove, the design. Okay, the design is quite almost the same, just like 2008, 2010, 2012, even 2015 glove for the metal. Again, very long time for the model that is using it. So I think nothing very special. It just, this is Valentino Rossi edition. That's the one that make it special. And this is how it look like from the other side. Okay, and again, as usual for the left glove, the middle finger always has this squared, adding this stitches, sorry, I mean, because that's how the way Vale needed for the clutch, for the filling. So again, this is the first of the edition for a Valentino Rossi replica glove that has this thing starting this year 2006, because again, back way in 2005 edition glove, as you can see, the left side it doesn't have, just plain. So it start from here 2006, okay, until 2007, 8, blah blah blah. Vale was still using this thing. Okay, and pretty much simple with the 10 letters over there, additional. Same way this is used, guys. It's not new. I sold the new one. I don't keeping new one nowadays, just sold it. Okay, so that's how the way. And just try to make it faster for the preview. Okay, now we are talking about the bad things from these gloves. So if you have it, if you have these, try to keep it up, because nowadays is 2025 and it's very hard to find these unless somebody want try to sell it, want to let it go. Not a lot of people, but if you find it, if you want to have it, go ahead. And for sure you have to make sure about how the way it is, because these are old and not very sure if you having it as used, it will be going to be a good condition. Okay, example like mine here, this is used. So the bad things from this glove, only 2 things, oh sorry, 3. First, again, around this, okay, this made from the sweat, so don't rub it, guys. If you rub this a lot often, this gonna be broken very easy and very very fast. Okay, and regarding opening the strap here, don't open it like just like pull it fast. And if you do that, if you did that, what's that one? Because I have I have 2 of these. Okay, hold on. It will be broken on this side, exactly the same way as like the 2005. You can see that if you try to open the glove off it and you just pull it very fast, this will happen. So be careful, don't open it hardly or roughly. Okay, that's the first. And the second from these, the DOC logo, it doesn't, well, I know nothing lasts forever, but it doesn't stay well on the glove. It will be cracks like this, as you can see, the paint, the leather paint is goes, but no worries, guys, it's very easy to be fixed. I have another pair like this as used and I fix it, and let me show you that one. Okay, just again, just the example. I painted with the leather paint, not, you know, acrylic paint, but with the leather paint. So as you can see, that's the example. So this is the one that broken, okay, and this is the one that I fixed. Not a very good job and not very easy to doing it, especially for the gold paint. You have to be careful, but I did. Okay, I did it. As you can see, it's pretty much better, because this glove before is bad on the logo, more bad than this one, but I did. So this is just the comparison, how to see. So this is the second things. Okay, so the second and the third things about, okay, again, I'm sorry, let me repeat. The first is this one, don't rub it. The second is this side, and I'm gonna show you which one, this one. So this will happen, as you can see that broken. So this will happen when I did pull this very hard, very strongly over back a long time ago. Like I just, you know, just like do like that. And what I did, It's very awful, and I did this, and yeah, this is the worst too. I did this. Well, I still not learning that time, but since that I try to appreciate Vale replica gloves. I don't do that anymore. So for the next glove, I don't have any kind of the things like that. So again, things like that, I'm not gonna do it again. So this is the third. Second, the logo, they will not gonna stick here long because it's like a paint, very thin paint, leather paint. But for the RARE and Dainese logo, you don't have to worry because this is stitches. Okay, so that's all the bad things. And the first, again, around these, don't rub it. Okay, if you rub this, you're done. Okay, so nothing else that I can say regarding this glove. This is still very memorably very memory for me, memorably, I don't know how to say. I'm not good with that words, but man, this glove is awesome. I have the suit for this, so we will going to review it later. Same color with the glove. I have the suit, not a good suit, but yeah, I do have it, and we'll see about it. So and I'm very sad with these gloves because Vale is supposed to be a champion in 2006, but because of the silly things, I think maybe the the left side is cold. When he turned for the left corner, he crashed. You can see that the video in YouTube, how he crashed so silly, very slow speed, and he just crashed just like that. And that's it. So all I can say, this is very nice, gorgeous, but for me, this is sad glove, sad era. This is the one that Vale, he didn't win the championship. Okay guys, that's all for me. Sorry for the noise. I ride at my backyard here, so any sounds that come, well, it is what it is. Thank you for viewing, guys. Thank you for your time, and again, this is very sad glove. Okay, so I review everything, the good things and the bad things. See you again in my other video. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your time. See you around. Ciao.